trying to do this. Let's go see some puppies. You know, there's so many of these dogs that are just brought into these shelters, and just because they're pit bulls, people don't adopt them because they got, you know, they think that they're mean or something like that. But I mean, look at this guy. Do you really think he's mean? Seriously? I mean, he's a good dog. He's somebody that any family would be proud to have, you know. What a beautiful animal. You know, and they're just scared. You know, they're in here and they're alone, they've been abandoned. But they're awesome dogs, you know. I love the breed. You know, they have such a stigma about them. I see so many of these guys in the shelter. You know, and they're awesome dogs. You know, and not just pits either. I mean, look at this guy. How beautiful is that? People get sick of them. And there they go, you know. Yeah, every time I come here, it seems like 3/4 of the time I have taken home a new friend. Good looking guy. Hi, buddy. And you can see how a lot of I really think he's vicious. No, he's not. Look at this. Okay, come on. My ball. My ball. Seems like every time I come here, I find one that I just freaking. I don't know. She's freaking adorable. So loving. Ugh. Man. That face. I don't know. There's just so many of them that just need homes. You know, and you know, you wish that sometimes you could rescue all of them, but I just like to show the faces that, you know, these guys are available, man. You know, they're full of love. They're freaking awesome dogs. Look at these guys, man. A pair of them. Beautiful animals, man. I was raised with shepherds. This guy, man, look at this. Yeah, awesome. Yeah, you know, every time I come to the shelter, you know, no matter if it's this shelter or, I don't know, it's, you know, some shelters are higher kill than others, you know, and it's just, it kills me to see these guys, you know, like you should look in their eyes, you know, and it's just, you know, they're dumped off here and they were family members at one time, you know. I don't know. It's just hard to fathom why so many of these awesome dogs are here, but anyway, well, hopefully each one of them will get adopted. I don't mean this video to be a downer by any means, because it's not, because dogs are awesome. Freaking dig them. But just go to your local shelter, support your local shelter. You know, even if you can't adopt, bring them a bag of dog food. You'd be amazed how far that'll go. You know, contribute. If you can possibly go and volunteer for a day, you know, to walk the dogs. If you can, what would be really awesome is if you could actually foster. I would be a foster fail because I'd have 100 dogs. So, but yeah, definitely adopt. Next time you're ever thinking about adding a family pet, please adopt. Because It'll mean the world to one of these guys. Anyway, have a good one, guys. Don't mean to bring you down anymore, but get a dog. They're freaking awesome. Take it easy, guys. See y'all.